everyone. Today I want to walk you through a project my team and I recently built, a pet care management system developed in C++ using object-oriented programming. This was built as a part of our summer internship training under the guidance of Dr. Om Prakash Yadav. So now I'll tell you what actually the system actually do what we have made in a project. It is a console based application that helps an animal shelter or pet store manage their pet digitally. Instead of paper records, you can add a new pet, view all pets, search by ID, update details, record, delete, mark a pet as adopted, check vaccination status, and view the medical history of the dog. All saved permanently to a file so nothing is lost when you close the program. First of all, we'll start with the core building block, the pet class. Every pet in the system has the 12 attributes: an automated generated ID, name, category, breed, age, gender, color, weight, vaccination status, medical history, adoption status, and the date it was added. Notice these are all private members that encapsulation a core OOP principle. We only expose them through public getters and setters. Now, what I'm talking about is this. Firstly, you can read here. Int pet get ID, get name. This is the first one, and the second one which I'm talking about is this. This is the actual code. We have all the displays, ID, name, gender, category, whatever I'm talking about. Now we'll talk about the next two very important functions. To file string, which converts a pet object into a single line of text so we can save it. And the next one is file string, does the reverse. That will save and it will read the saved line and rebuilds the pet object. This is how our data survives even after we close the program. Next is the pet manager class. This is really the engine of the whole system. It holds every pet in a memory using a vector, and it has only one function for every operation. It is used to add pet, view all pet, search by pet ID, update pet, delete, adopt, and a few reporting functions like vaccination status and category summaries. Now we'll see about save to files and load from file. The first one is save to file. These two are what makes the data permanent. Every single time you add, update, delete, or immediately rewrites the entire file, when the program starts, load from file reads the file back in so you never lose your data. So we have also built in input validation so the program wouldn't clash. If someone type letters instead of number or leaves a name empty, it just asks again. This is the full code of our program. Now we'll talk about a login class. We also added a single admin login system, just a username and a password, with a maximum of 3 attempts before the main menu becomes accessible. Now I will give you a live demo of our project. Okay, so now we'll have only 3 attempts and we have to write the username and the password correctly as I tell previously. As you can all see on the screen, what is our username? The username is admin. So we'll write here admin. After that, we have the password, which is the same as this upper one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you can see that here are the main menu, 11 options, everything number we can see clearly. Now enter your choice. We can choose any, like if you want to check that we have to add a pet, so we'll write here one. Done. Now you can see we have the add new pet. Now we'll write the name of the pet. So you'll write any of the name of the pet is suppose we have Enzo. We have the different categories. What type of breed that is? So is a dog. Enter the breed. We'll write any of the breed. Like I'll write here golden retriever. Age, I can write here, suppose 3. Gender is male. Color is yellow. Weight, we can write, like we can write here is 50 kgs. Is vaccinated? Yes. Medical history? None. Done. We are done with our see, pet added successfully. We have added the pet. Now we can do the same way for the second. This is what it says. Building, so this is what our project is about. Building this project really help us understanding how OOP concept, encapsulation, class design, how to clean the data, what are the logic, what are the user interface will face in a real world application. We also got a hands-on experience by forming a website. It's a great experience, and that's all. Thank you for watching.